Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to Nintendo Switch 2, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly set up and working smoothly. Step 1. Open the relevant app or website on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials and have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the settings or account menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen or in the main menu section. Step 3. Look for the option related to the task you want to complete. This might be labeled as Preferences, Account Settings, or Device Management depending on the platform. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Read each instruction and make sure you understand what is being asked before proceeding to the next step. Step 5. Complete the required actions by entering any necessary information or making the appropriate selections from the available options. Step 6. Make sure you double-check all settings before finalizing. It is important to verify that each option is configured correctly to avoid any potential issues. Confirm your changes by clicking the Save, Apply, or Confirm button. Some platforms may require you to verify your action through email or text message. Step 7. Test the changes to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, you may need to restart the app or device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.